Saturday in the park. I think it was the 4th of July. It still goes flat. Whatever. It's Saturday. Welcome to it. We got a couple different things going on. I'm going to go through them, but we also have a Zoom class at noon. So jump in on that if you want to. Super fun. I'm going to attempt to be there while I'm on the ambulance. We'll see how that goes. You can see my partner that I work with and see that side of my life. What we're going to do, fitnessy things, because that's why you're here. Warm up. You've got 2 rounds. You're going to take 30 seconds and go through some lunge play. So lunge compass, whatever you want to call it. Lunge, but move your feet into different positions. Don't feel restricted. And then you're going to go into 30 seconds of inchworms to a push-up. Awesome, pretty simple. Then we're gonna go to 30 to 45 seconds of a bird dog with a 3-second pause on each side, just to get some isometric holds within that position. Awesome, that's gonna be our general warm-up. When we get done there, world's greatest stretch, 10 to 15 on each side. We're not gonna talk about that. We do that one all the time. Play around with it. Here's where we're gonna digress a little bit. If you have full equipment and you're not gonna do the Zoom class, there's a specific part. Otherwise, the Zoom class is just going to go to the WOD from here. If you have a barbell or you have a PVC pipe and you're going to work on just a little bit of snatches, we've got an EMOM of 6 minutes alternating between these 2 different things. First part of the movement is going to be with the barbell. You're going to do 3 snatch grip RDLs into 3 high pulls into 3 muscle snatches. Cool. Rock through those. Get the shoulders nice and warm and fluid, work on your positions, and then on the next minute, you're gonna get down on the ground, put a knee down, and you've got 2 to 4 on each side of FRC hamstring curls. Have not done those in a while, but we do wanna wake up the hamstrings for this workout. We've got a lot of hinging into some running. So with these FRC hamstring curls, I encourage you, or I do this, squeeze your butt. Squeeze your butt really, really hard, and then slowly think about the back of your leg pulling your heel to your butt, okay? You want to connect yourself to the hamstring, the back of the leg, the muscle group back there, and that's how we're gonna do it. So 2 to 4, it should take about 15 seconds to get each side done within that minute, so that should give you 20 to 30 seconds to get up and grab the barbell for the next movement. That's gonna take us to the Metcon for today. Different format, we are gonna throw in a partner workout. So if you have a partner available to do fitnessy things with, let's take Saturdays back to normal. Here's the format. You're gonna do a 22-minute AMRAP, and it's gonna be a you go, I go style, but within each movement. I'll get into that here in a second, but if you're doing 10 snatches and then running, today what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 10 snatches, and then your partner is gonna do 10 snatches. You're gonna go run, and then your partner is gonna go run, versus like the round for round style where one partner does the entire round, and then you would do the entire round, so on and so forth. So within that, you've got 22 minutes. If you have a barbell, awesome. We've got snatches, so 10 power snatches, pretty light. You should be able to go unbroken for this, just 10 of them, 95, 65 for the RXs, and then a 200-meter run. Cool. If we don't have that much equipment, let's go through some options. For the snatches, we can trade those out for dumbbell snatches, just alternating. If you have 2, you could do a double dumbbell snatch. Whatever works best for you. Kettlebell, same idea, just snatch the hell out of it. Or odd object, ground to overhead. I would just highly suggest just a backpack. At this point, a backpack is gonna cover a lot, so if you haven't played with that yet, play with it. Find some textbooks, load it up, figure out the different ways you can hold on to it. For today, what I would do is I would grab on at the top and the bottom, and then just straight up over the head. Cool. If we don't want to go run, or we're tired of running, or whatever that is, and you have a jump rope, rock out 50 double unders. That's gonna make this a little bit quicker than the run option, depending on where your double unders are at, but that's fine. Get in on some double unders. If you don't have a jump rope, we can do some explosive lunges. So with this, you're gonna lunge, and then as you come up out of the bottom, drive that knee real hard and fast. Joe's got a demo here. You could put a jump into this. I wouldn't, just for the time's sake, but you're gonna rock out 20 alternating of that. If you have the space, awesome, walk on forward. If you don't, just stay in one spot. For the Zoom class, we are going to try to do this as a partner workout. So if you're not with somebody in the Zoom class, you're going to watch somebody else's screen. We'll get into the grid view, so on and so forth, and we'll be able to kind of have a little bit more camaraderie from a distance. We'll see how it works. It'll be fun. And it doesn't matter whether you want to do a run, a jump rope, or however that is, as long as you can get back to your computer screen. Any option is going to be fair game. If you're rocking this out by yourself, cool. Just do a full round, do the 10 reps plus the 200-meter run or whatever you're exchanging there, and then just rest about 90 seconds. That's going to be very similar to the rest of it, and you should get a nice little CrossFit-y stimulus for your Saturday. Cool. Question of the day, per Chadwick, or as you know him, the Chad, what's your favorite perfume or cologne? Oh, I gotta answer that. Easy. Abercrombie Fierce. That stuff is dangerous. It smells so good, and it's so expensive. If you go look, I'm not saying that I have looked recently. Wow, it is pricey. So, Christmas presents, birthday's coming up in 6 months. Just throwing it out there.